Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can host your Vue.js project on internet completely for free. So first of all, what you need to do is that you need to go to your project. So this is my project. So here at the top, we need to write over here cmd, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt in the project directory. And first of all, we need to write a command over here, which is npm run build, then press enter. So this will create a folder over here called dist. So here you can see we have a folder over here called dist. So we can just close this command prompt, and here you can see we have the dist folder. So right now we need to go to our browser. Just go to any browser. Then in the browser search for Netlify. Then here you can see netlify.com. So we need to click here and it will take you to this page. So here you will see login and sign up option. So you need to sign up. Sign up is really simple. You just need to verify your email address and give some details. So I already have an account. So I'm going to click on login. And then here you can see I have an option over here, login with email. So we need to click here. And here I'll give my email address and my Netlify password. After that, I'll click on login. And it will take me to this page. So over here you can see projects option. So in this project you will see a upload option here, and here you can see on to deploy a new project. So here you can see browse to upload. So you need to click here, then you need to go to your project, and we'll go to our Vue project, which is this one. And then in the Vue project, here you can see this folder that we just created using a command. So you need to select this folder, then click on upload. And here just confirm it, just click here upload, and it will upload the project over here, and it will take a few seconds depending on your project size, and the upload is complete. After that, here you can see quick setup. Click here, and here you need to give a name. Let's say our name will be to do app Vue.js, and then click here update project name. Okay, this name is already taken. Let's just give a random number over here 0047. Then click here again, and this name is available. Here you can see project name successfully created, and right now I'm going to click here finish later. And here you can see we have an address over here, and if you now click on it, there you can see our Vue.js project is uploaded to the internet, and you can share this link with your friend, and they will also be able to see your Vue.js project. And it will also work over here. Here you can see if I just say over here hello, click on add, there you can see this OK. So this is how you can post your Vue.js project completely for free and share it with your friends. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.